For the first method, we're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you're going to click on run as administrator. And then click on yes. Once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now and click on enter. And then you want to run this scan. It might take some time, but just run it in the background as you do the other methods in this video. For the second method, we're going to head over to search and then type in device manager. Click on it. Once you're on it, we're going to expand keyboards. And then you want to find your keyboard. You might have multiple ones which say HID keyboard device. You want to try this method for all of them. So right click on the first one that you see, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. If the best driver has been installed, then you want to go back and click on browse my computer for drivers. And then click on let me pick from a list. And then you want to select the second one, click on next and install it. You want to try that for all the HID keyboard devices that will come up. For the third method, your keyboard might have game mode on it selected. Some keyboards have something called game mode, which disables the Windows button. So make sure that game mode is unselected. If game mode is selected, then a light may come on, like I'm showing you in the screenshot right now. So unselect it. After you do all the methods in this video, restart your computer. Make sure you click on restart, don't shut down, click on restart, then the problem should be fixed.